you love the Mauna Kea Resort and you're looking for a property here and you want to stay under $2 million, then Kumulani deserves your attention. Thanks for joining me today. I'm taking you to Kumulani at the Mauna Kea Resort. We're going to go check out 2 units and drive through the neighborhood. So if you're interested in this area, let's go take a look. Welcome to Kumulani at the Uplands of the world-renowned Mauna Kea Resort. In Hawaiian, Kumulani means the base of the sky, and once you're here at this elevation, the name really makes sense. Poised above the blue Kohala coast, this community was established in 2000 as a collection of luxury ocean view condominiums. Kumulani is not a high-density development. It's quiet, gated, and just 40 residents spread across nearly 12 acres. It's made up of only 10 fourplexes. One of the most significant advantages of ownership here is the opportunity to purchase the Mauna Kea Resort Club membership. This provides access to white sand beaches, world-class golf, tennis, dining, and resort amenities at both the Westin Hapuna Beach Resort and the Mauna Kea Beach Hotel. Because the community is small and the value proposition is strong, homes here tend to be tightly held. In a typical year, we only see 2 to 3 residents here come on the market and sell. All condos are 2-bedroom, 2-bath homes, but they do range in 3 different sizes, depending on the building. Condos in buildings C and F have 1,215 square feet. Units in B, E, and I all have 1,375 square feet. And units in A, D, G, H, and J all have the largest sizes at 1,541 square feet, which that added space includes a bonus room. Each home features a spacious great room, a well-equipped kitchen, a private garage, in-unit laundry, and central air conditioning. One of the underrated features here is the parking. Between your private garage and the generous guest parking, Kumulani feels practical and not crowded, and that's rare in a resort community. Kumulani offers the simplicity of maintenance-free condo living inside of the Mauna Kea Resort. The grounds are professionally maintained and the shared amenities are consistently well kept. As we drive into the pool area, I want to point out again the wonderful amount of parking here. The private recreation pavilion is reserved exclusively for residents and their guests. It features a lot of covered seating areas, restrooms, plenty of loungers, and a saltwater lap pool that's solar heated. Because Kumulani is such a small community, this space often feels like a private experience, perfect for spending time with family and friends. Now let's head over to Unit E2, which is currently on the market. This building is known for its front row orientation, strong views, and how well it lives both inside and out. It's a great example of why buyers pay attention when a Kumulani home becomes available. Let's go in and take a closer look. Welcome to Unit E2. This is a ground level front row residence overlooking the Hapuna Golf Course with sweeping ocean, sunset, and mountain views. The orientation here really matters. You're elevated just enough to capture the views, but grounded in a way that makes indoor-outdoor living feel effortless. At Kumulani, generous covered lanai spaces are a part of how these homes are designed, and Unit E2 is a great example of that. This home features approximately 400 square feet of wraparound covered lanai overlooking the 4th fairway of the Hapuna Golf Course and stretching out toward the ocean. Because the lanai is both spacious and covered, it functions as everyday living space. As we step back inside, let's talk about the interior. This home has been thoughtfully updated with new central air conditioning, fresh interior paint, and new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. LVP is a great choice in a coastal environment. It's durable, comfortable, and works well with an island lifestyle. New stainless steel appliances have been refreshed in the kitchen, and new window treatments have been placed in the great room. The home is finished with Hawaiian-style furnishings, which are included with the sale, making this a truly move-in ready residence. Another important thing to note about this home is that it has been a very successful short-term vacation rental. The combination of strong rental history, its great condition, and a location inside of the Mauna Kea Resort is a big part of what makes this home so appealing. Now let's step into the primary bedroom. This room is positioned to take advantage of the views, and the room opens directly to the lanai. There's plenty of room for a king-size bed, and just off the primary bedroom is the ensuite bathroom. It features a dual vanity, a soaking tub, and a separate shower. Now let's go take a look at the second bedroom. It's positioned away from the primary suite, which gives good separation and privacy. The room is nicely sized and flexible. It can comfortably accommodate 2 twin beds or even a king-size bed, depending on how you want to use the space. E2 is a home that is easy to step into and to enjoy right away. Now we're heading up the hill to the second row of buildings just behind the pool area. This part of Kumulani sits slightly higher, which changes the perspective and gives these homes a different feel. Welcome to Building I. We're heading to a unit that just freshly hit the market, Unit I-1. Welcome to another ground floor unit at Kumulani, Unit I-1. Let's start this tour by walking out directly to the covered lanai so you can get a sense of the views from this unit. This covered lanai is designed for everyday outdoor living, with space for multiple lounging areas and a comfortable outdoor dining area. And because this is a ground floor unit, the lanai opens directly to a grassy area out front, which really extends the outdoor living space. It gives you room to spread out, move easily between inside and outside, and enjoy the landscape in a way that feels relaxed and open. From here, you can take in ocean views, along with mountain views and lush tropical surroundings. Okay, let's head back inside and check out this 2-bedroom, 2-bath residence with approximately 1,375 square feet of interior living space. The primary suite can easily hold a king-size bed and opens up to the lanai. The ensuite bathroom features a tub, shower, and again, dual vanities and a walk-in closet. As we move past the great room and through the dining area, you'll really get a sense of how open and functional this layout is. The kitchen sits just beyond with bar stool seating, wood cabinetry, and granite countertops. A large storage area and stainless steel appliances finish off the large kitchen area. There's plenty of space in this kitchen to also feel integrated into the overall space of the home. There's plenty of room to spread out, relax, and actually live here. The layout works well for everyday use, watching a movie, reading, or enjoying the natural light that comes in through the day. And this is the second bedroom. It works really great for guests or family or an office. And here's the second bathroom in the home. Okay, let's walk outside. I want to show you something really great about Kumulani. Each unit has its own one-car garage, and in the very back are some great storage closets. This is something that's pretty unique to resort living, is to have your own garage is such a luxury. Kumulani appeals to a very specific buyer, and that's why it performs so consistently. It attracts people who want Mauna Kea Resort access, but also want space, privacy, and flexibility. It offers one of the most approachable price points within the resort while still delivering ocean views, strong rental potential, and optional access to world-class amenities. Kumulani is an opportunity to get into Mauna Kea Resort living in a way that feels grounded and livable.
Thank you so much for joining me today on this tour of Kumulani at the Mauna Kea Resort. If you have any questions about these units or this neighborhood, please feel free to reach out anytime. I'll put my phone number below. You can visit my website at kohalacoastliving.com to find out more information about this area. And be sure to sign up for my newsletter so you can be alerted of any new neighborhood or property tours. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time.